Until you change your paradigm, your life will stay the same. Nothing in your life will change until the paradigm is shifted. Welcome back to the Life Juice Podcast with me, HV Life Coach, where we talk about how to awaken, reset, and transform your mindset, habits, and life for more positive, ideal results. Your paradigm is a culmination, meaning a combined amalgamation of your thoughts, your beliefs, your emotions. And these things aren't really yours. They're really just society programming you when you were a child. See, when you were between the ages of 0 to 7, your mind was like a sponge. It soaked up all the information that was given to it by society, teachers, family, friends, environments, all the information that was given to it. It soaked it up. I said, guess what? This is life. And from that moment forward, if you weren't given the right foundation for how to live life, you've been operating on a failing system. I call it death system. Dying existence, attacking troubled head and hearts. You want to have life, living intentional, focusing energy, that's a different system. Okay? A lot of us were given a death system though. And until you change your paradigm, your system, that's operating in a failing system, you're never gonna thrive, you're never gonna succeed, you're never gonna do the things you want to do because you're still operating on the wrong system. It's like having a computer for Windows, but it's using Apple software. It can't work. It's just not gonna happen. So, what do you do? What is it that you can actually do? And ideas? Before you watch the rest of this, let me know in the comments down below. If you have any idea what you actually can do to change your paradigm. For the first level of this is identifying what they are. So what are the top 5 beliefs that you hold, that you believe are true? Write it down. As always, I'm talking about getting a notebook, getting a paper. Maybe I should start selling these things, notebooks and pens, right? Who knows? But anyways, grab a pen, grab a notebook or a pencil if you don't want a pen, and just do me a favor. No, don't do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. Write down your top 5 beliefs today that you hold right now. And I want you to do step number 2 as well, which is to circle in a different color. Don't use the same color. Use a completely different color. Red if possible. Circle all of the beliefs that are negative and they're holding you back, keeping you stuck as who you are today and not who you want to be in the future or in the next coming years. Why should you do that? Like why does that even matter? When you identify what's going wrong, you're now able to make a shift. If there's no connection to the identification, because who you are is basically who you say you are. And what you do is connected to how you identify. So if you're still identifying with these old beliefs, you're not going to change. If you're unaware of these old beliefs, you're not going to change. So if you want to change, you have to write it down, identify what they are, and then circle the ones that are holding you back. Next step. Very easy, very simple. Don't just stay at number 2 where you think, okay, I circled the ones, I've identified them. No. The next step is to pick one of those beliefs that are holding you back. Just this week. You'll do something else next time, but just for this week, pick one of those things that are holding you back. And I want you to rewire that belief into a positive, more truthful belief. Not the one you've been believing, but the one that's more true, more real, right? And I'm not saying find something that isn't real and make it real and just believe it's true. No, I'm saying that what you currently hold to be true may not actually be true. And there's a greater truth out there that you could identify with that'll help shift your life. And the more you practice that for the next 7 days, I want you to practice that until the next video uploads on Monday at 8 p.m. Subscribe so you can stay tuned. Now, until the next video comes up, so the next 7 days, I want you to repeat every single day that new belief system and see what it does for your life. See how you improve. See how you change. See how you maneuver differently. See how you think differently. See how you feel differently. See how you act differently. Watch how your life shifts. See how the people around you treat you differently. Matter of fact, see how you treat yourself differently. It's really simple sometimes. It all comes down to that. Your beliefs, your thoughts, and emotions. And the only way you're going to shift them is to identify them and then rewrite what you actually want to have and act on it. Okay. If that resonates with your soul, then you definitely have to give me a subscription, okay? And if it doesn't, let me know now. Let me know now, right here in the comments down below. and I'll read it and I'll get back to you. And if something doesn't make sense, or if you think that's BS, let me know about that too. I want to help you for real. And if I'm not helping, let me know. I want to help. I want to get better. All right. This is not for me. This is for you. I'm not here to please me or serve me. I'm here to serve you. So if this is not actually helping you, I got to change my ways, man. And I got to accept that belief in that reality, right? Okay. Anyways, thank you for tuning in today. As always, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Peace.